Hey everybody, it's Dave from the Buzzillasaurus channel, doing a quick little sponsored unboxing video. That's right, there's the box, here's the rest of it. Got some daisy chains, some links, all those good things, the hangers, whatever you want to call them. And then we got, hold on a second. That's right, bam, the SF2000. Boom! That's right, I love being sponsored. Quantum LED, that is SF2000. Woo! Gotta turn that thing up, man. I can't see anymore. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe that's one thing I need to get. Some Spider Pharma glasses, you know what I'm explaining? Again, SF2000. Check out Spider Pharma in the links below. Peace.